In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics in 2025. You'll be up and running in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Google using your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Sign In button. This button is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you should see a list of Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the correct one that you plan to use for your website analytics. Once that's settled, enter your password to access your Google account. With your account open, look to the top right of your screen and you'll see a grid icon which represents the Google Apps menu. Click on that to reveal a list of all the Google applications available to you. Scroll through and find Google Analytics, and then give it a click. Once you're in Google Analytics, the next step is to navigate to the admin panel. You'll find this option at the bottom left of the interface. Click on admin and you'll be taken to a new menu that has a range of options for managing your analytics setup. In the admin panel, focus your attention on the product links option. Clicking this will expand a set of links, one of which is the Search Console links. Click on this link to proceed. Here you'll want to look for an option that says link. This is the gateway to connecting Google Analytics with Google Search Console. Now that you're linking the two, you'll need to add your Search Console property. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to set it up on the Search Console tool, but for now, let's assume you have it ready. Select your property to link it. After doing this, it's almost time to wrap things up. Click on Next, which will guide you through the remainder of the linking process. You'll then be presented with a list of web streams. Choose the appropriate web stream for your website. It's crucial to select the correct one, as this ensures that the data flows accurately between the tools. Finally, take a moment to review your settings. Make sure that everything looks right. You wouldn't want any discrepancies at this stage. Once you're confident that all is set up correctly, click Submit. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Google Search Console with Google Analytics. This setup is essential for tracking the performance of your site and understanding how visitors find you through search engines. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards better understanding your web traffic and user behavior. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.